guys, this video is gonna help the first time visitors to Singapore because I'll share the must visit places in Singapore. Starting with Universal Studio, which is located at Sentosa Island. You must start your Singapore trip with Universal Studio, which has all sort of fun activities and amazing fun events at every stop. You will find rides at every themed centers like roller coaster, rapid adventure, Jurassic Park, treasure hunt and many more. Best time to visit this place is during daytime because it will take complete one day to cover all your stops. Else trust me, you will regret later if you missed even one of them. Moving on to Art and Science Museum, which is located at 10 Bayfront Avenue, Marina Bay Sands. This Lotus-inspired building has numerous digital activities which will keep you engaged till you exit from there. The best part of the Art and Science Museum is at the end, and that's the Crystal Room. Since this is the indoor-based museum, so you can visit this anytime as per your convenience. And to cover the complete Art and Science Museum, it will take around 2 hours of the day. Opposite to Art and Science Museum is the next destination, that is the Marina Bay Sands. This is what Singapore is known for, a huge boat on top of 3 tall buildings. This is something you can't miss out because you will get a complete 360-degree view of Singapore, which is epic. From one end you can see Gardens by the Bay and from the other end you can see the Spectral Light Show. The best time to visit Marina Bay Sands is evening time because the magic begins just after the sun has gone down. Next destination is the Riverside Point, which is located at Clarke Quay. This is one of my favorite locations in Singapore. This is such a lively place that, trust me, once you come to Riverside, you will not want to leave this place again. After a long tiring day, you can just walk into any of the restaurants over here, grab a drink, sit back, relax, hum the live music played there and throw all of your tiredness from your body. This is the must-visit place in Singapore, and the best time to visit this is after the evening time or during the night time, and you can stay there as long as you want to. Merlion at 1 Fullerton Road is one of the tourist spots for which Singapore is famous for. The Merlion statue, which has lion's head and fish body, is a mandate camera zone for the tourist. People take a lot of pictures with Merlion, sit there and relax watching the Marina Bay Sands right in front of them. Best time to visit this place is just before the sunset because before that you can take a lot of pictures with Merlion, and after that you can watch the sunset along with the Marina Bay Sands in front of you. Moving on to the next destination, that is the aquarium, which is located at Sentosa Island. You can visit this place anytime during daytime because it is indoor based, but there are few outdoor activities like dolphin show, which is conducted during the daytime. Here you will see variety of aquatic animals. It also has huge tank filled with stingray, shark and lot of other underwater creatures. And this will remind you a scene from Aquaman movie, making it a must visit place. It won't take more than 3 hours to complete your aquarium visit. In the same building where aquarium was there lies the next destination point, that is the Maritime Museum. Since everything here is also indoor, so you can also visit museum anytime in a day. Of course, not beyond the closing time. This museum is all about exploring the sea and the world. It will tell you about the maritime Silk Route, about seafarers, also about the pirates. It will take about an hour to complete the entire museum visit. Moving on to next destination, that is Madame Tussauds, which is also located at Sentosa Island. Your tour will start with a boat ride taking you through the Spirit of Singapore experience to Wax Museum, where you can take a lot of pictures with all the A-lister stars. More than that, you can also get a chance to walk on the red carpet. They also have Marvel 4D show. This will not take more than 2 to 3 hours to complete your experience with all of the stars. Next destination is the Wings of Time light show, which is conducted at Sentosa Island. This is the most mesmerizing night show by the sea. There's no better way to complete a fabulous day at Sentosa Island than a spectacular night show. The jaw-drop display of water, laser, fire effects and hypnotizing music will make your evening even more worthful. This show is played during evening and the time duration is about 20 minutes. This is the must-visit show at Sentosa Island. Jurong Park is the must-visit place at Singapore because it is the Asia's largest bird paradise where you will find penguins, flamingo of different and beautiful colors. You can also click pictures with parrots. Also, you can feed them at Lorry Loft. Best time to visit this place is daytime so that you can watch different colors of the birds properly. Time duration to cover the complete Jurong Park is around 4 to 5 hours. Gardens by the Bay, which is located at 18 Marina Gardens Drive, is the next destination. Gardens by the Bay has 3 attractions, first being the Flower Dome, where you will enter a huge dome filled with various flowers and trees from different countries. This will take you around 1 to 1.5 hours to cover, and the best time to visit this attraction is after 4 p.m. This attraction point is followed by another attraction point, that is the Cloud Forest, which will welcome you with a huge waterfall. You can also walk till top and witness even a better view. This will take you around 1 to 1.5 hours to complete. Now the last attraction point, that is a Super Groove Tree, which is the best part of the Gardens by the Bay. The best time to visit this place is evening time so that you can enjoy the mesmerizing lights show of Super Tree groups. Gardens by the Bay is one of the must-visit places in Singapore. Moving on to the shopping paradise, that is the Chinatown located at Terengganu. Here you will enjoy a mix of museum, shopping as well as a good variety of food options. It will surely leave a tourist happy and satisfied at the end of the day. The overall time to complete your visit to Chinatown purely depends on your shopping hour. Best time to visit this place is during evening so that you can enjoy beautiful lights throughout your pathway, also enjoy your shopping hours. So these were the major places in Singapore which you must not miss to visit. Hope this video was useful for your travel plans to Singapore. See you in next video.